Hi everyone. The other day I started wondering how many different ways could I harmonize a single note at the piano, and what I found out surprised even me. In other words, how many different chords could I play that all had the same note on the top? Believe it or not, I found 30 different ways to harmonize a single note at the piano, and I'm going to show you those chords right now. So I'm going to take a C. Now of course we can play C as the top note of an F major chord. We can also play it as the top note of an F minor chord. We can play it as the top note of an F sharp diminished chord. We can play it as the top note of an E augmented chord. So those are our triads. Now let's go on to some seventh chords. We could play C as the top note of a D7 chord. We could play C as the top note of a D minor 7 chord. We could put it in a D half diminished seventh chord. We could put it in a D sharp fully diminished seventh chord. We could put it in a D flat major 7 chord, a D flat minor major 7th chord, D7 flat 5, sounds like this. And then we go on to our chords with some extensions. We've got B flat 9, B flat major 7 with the 9th added, B7 flat 9, and A7 sharp 9. Then we've got our F sharp 7, where the C is the sharp 11th on the top. We've got our F sharp 9 chord with the sharp 11 on the top. The sharp 9 chord, F sharp 7th with the sharp 9, F sharp 7th with the flat 9 and the 11th on the top. Then we've got an E7 chord with a flat 13 on the top, an E9 with the flat 13 on the top, an E7th with a sharp 9 and a flat 13 on the top, and our E7 with the flat 9 and the flat 13 on top. It doesn't end there. We've got an E flat 7 with a 13 on the top. We've got an E flat 9 with the 13th on the top. We've got an E flat 9 with the 13th on the top, and an E flat sharp 9 with the 13th on the top. That takes us up to 29, and for number 30, for good measure, I've thrown in a D flat Phrygian chord, a D flat, F, G, and C. Now, if you think that that's amazing, 30 different ways to play one chord, just consider that for every single one of those chords, I could rearrange it in a different way. So I could play F major like this, I could play F major like that, I could play it like this, I could play it like that. And for every one of those chords that I just showed you, you could find many ways to vary that chord and voice it in different ways. So if that doesn't blow your mind, I don't know what does. I hope you've enjoyed this video. See you again soon.